This video will show you how to bring records from version 4 into version 5 so that you can report, and covers upgrading generally. First, you will need FileMaker version 15 on your computer. You can get the download link from a 21C project director. Second, you will need to have access to the version 5 database, which can be received or taken down, downloaded from the Vermont After School Wiki. You can Google that. Once you have those things, we'll bring in the records, number 3. We'll then prepare the records for reporting, which is to check the staff section, and then going to programs and assigning new types and categories. Once you've done that, you saved your database, you have your records in there, you can then go to reports, click print all, and report for the federal categories. This is my FileMaker folder system. I've downloaded a copy of the master database, the new one. It's in its own folder and it's totally blank, so I can use it anytime. The 1617 database, this is my actual database I've been working on all year, and I've been putting in records, and I'm going to take those records and bring them into the new database. I need to create a specific upgrade folder for this process. I've taken a copy of a blank version, the new database, that's this here, and there are no records in it. I've also taken the 1617, the actual database I've been entering all my records in all year, and also put a copy of that database file into this folder, and I've renamed it precisely 21STCCLC old, just like it looks, so that these two can talk to each other. What I'm going to do is bring in the old records from this year into the blank database. I will now open the blank database. You can use user and password Peaches. I'm going in under the manager method. I'm now in the brand new blank database with no records, and I'm going to bring other records in. I go to Admin, Upgrade. I read these instructions carefully. I check each of the records that I want to bring in, and I click Import. I put in the password from the old database. It's done. I'll first check to make sure that my records are in there and look on the right-hand columns to make sure there's no red writing. Red denotes an issue that needs to be changed, like a duplicate record, for example. The next step is number 4 and 5. We're going to check the staff section and make changes to the program section, and then our records will be ready for reporting. Clicking on staff, there are new categories, new federal categories. They have auto-updated. I'm going to check my records and make sure that they are as they should be. Next, in list view, but I'm going to go to full view. For every record, I can click here. I have 16 programs. There are new federal categories for type and category. I need to make the change. So for example, enrichment, and I'm going to hit enter because it's just faster, which is arts and music. That's good, and it's summer. I'm going to hit enter a third and fourth time. I've done the first one. I go to the next record. I'm hitting enter to save. Again, Computer Club, record number 2 is an academic program, and in this case, it's actually STEM. And my second record is done. I need to do this for all the records, choosing the best category, and as you can see, all your records will be auto-updated. I now feel that all my records are good, but my live version is in this upgrade folder, so I'm actually going to rename it and put it, I'm going to call it live. I'm going to rename it. And I'm going to At the end of the process, I'm going to have this database open. It has all my live records and it's ready to go. So I'm going to go save a copy as, and I'm going to call this now my live copy and save it in its own folder and use that as my live database. It's important to save it at the end.